Neil Comedy. If you don't know, leave the link down to this man YouTube channel down in the description. You can go support Badman. If you've never been here before, basically this is the video where he walk around Jamaica, streets of Jamaica, and he asks people questions. And some of them questions there is just why. Sometimes you have to sit and you have to wonder how they manage to not know the answer.
Spell top.
Top?
Yeah.
What, top? Top or tap?
Top.
I want
What?
to squeeze your blood throat.
Yeah, what people said down there, boy, Jenna.
No,
I
no.
know say a long time. Hold on a moment. Hold on. I know say yo.
A T-O-P or a T-A-P. Me no know. A top or a top, man, I say.
Disappear again. So what you know? Right now they are listed with episode 1 of the questions. Right now I'm excited. You understand? I know say no one cause me have still, you know. I know say no one done me, you know. So what you know, without no further ado, can be excitement. You understand? I Linstead with it on episode 1 hat-trick question. So what you know?
Linstead.
We know so when reach yesterday in the video. You get to me and say, and I know you click the like
Sure,
button.
with that window went down, bro.
I know you click the like button. You know? How long you see me about a year, no? So click the like button, man. If you're not glad for the journey, click the like button, man. Jeez, I Linstead today, you know. I remember, you know, left in the comment, if you want me to come to town near you, leave it in the comment, and the general will go forward. So what you know? I don't want to talk too long. Without further ado, we are going to start the show right now. You see me?
Dew?
Yeah, I want to go now. Let me see what.
TSTs, boy, would love some TSTs beef patty right now.
Like and subscribe, you see me?
That is it. That is. What can fill up a room but take up no space?
What's a bookshelf?
Eh?
Bookshelf.
Bookshelf.
What can fill up a room but take up no space?
What can fill a room but take up no space?
Smoke.
Smoke.
Yeah.
Smoke.
What can fill a room but take up no space?
Ask him first.
Pot full of room, but take up no space.
I think that's the best answer. Smoke.
Smoke.
Smoke. Space.
Huh? Space.
Ear.
Ear?
Yeah.
That can work. That can work. People, remember again, leave it in the comment. Let me know what you think, alright?
Yeah.
Alright?
Damn, it's the same thing.
Yeah, right? Yeah. Ear, right? Ear?
Ear.
Ear. What can fill up a room but take up no space?
Ting. Wrong one. Ting.
Anita.
He not think about it at all. He not think about nothing.
What can fill up a room but take up no space?
What can fill up a room but don't take up no space? A carpet. A
Huh?
carpet.
A carpet.
Carpet?
Yeah.
How you get that?
Because when I put the carpet in the room, you know, it take up a space. And where nothing in there, so you take up a space.
Yeah. So carpet.
Yeah.
Carpet. Huh. You still just scratchy head. You're not bringing it any closer to an answer.
Think about it, man. Scratch your head and think about it.
Eh.
Let me scratch it harder, man. And faster.
Yeah.
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11 plus 3 equal to.
When 11 plus 3 equal 2?
When 11 plus 3 equal.
That kind of tough, you know.
What that mean exactly? When 11 plus 3 equal to?
I'm not afraid to start that. I know what said, I'm not afraid to start that.
When does 11 plus 3 equal to?
Yeah.
When
That
does
don't make sense.
when does
Three.
11 plus 3 equal
Yeah.
to?
Equal to. When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
When does 11 plus 3 equal to?
Well, and when does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
Boy, I mean, I see them both as you know. I mean, I don't know. I don't know that. It's 11 plus 3 equal 2.
Take away 9 from it.
Eh?
You take away 9 from it.
When does 11 plus 3, right?
Yeah.
Equal to?
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
Damn, that's a good one.
What?
When it's one.
Hi, I'm Premium
Hey!
Wireless, $15 a month at Mint Mobile. When I Premium Wireless for $15,
1-on-1.
Huh?
1-on-1.
When it's 1-on-1?
Yeah, 1-on-1, right?
When it's 1-on-1.
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11 plus 3 equal 2. You know, so I ain't got maths class though.
You never go
Maths class and I keep me in Delta door.
Brother, where you come from? Brother, I don't like your mentality of the wrong meds, bad man. And that's why the brownie now stop to get to eat that, brother. Move and go.
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11 plus 3.
Oh! I literally just Googled this shit and I still didn't get that reply and the answer for it. But now I understand. 11, 12. This is time reference, Budman. So 11 plus 3 equals 2 p.m. 11 a.m. plus 3 equal 2 p.m. A time. I didn't even get the answer from Google. Google now no use. Stop use Google.
Think about it. When does 11 plus 3 equals 2?
In time. But that's not something we would come up with the on spot.
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
We can see when we can see if they don't answer
Equal
this.
plus 3.
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
Go again?
When does 11 plus 3 equals 2?
I don't know about the party.
Listen.
I don't know the party.
You know that party?
You
So
don't
you want me to
know.
hear the answer?
Yeah.
The answer up on the clock, man.
On the clock?
Yeah, man. You not get it?
No, I'm still like it.
Alright, so 11 o'clock on the clock, right?
Oh, 11
Plus 3.
12. What? 12?
No. Alright, listen again, you know. 11 o'clock on the clock, right? Plus 3. What time you gone?
What time I gone?
Yeah.
Five. 40.
God have mercy upon us.
Alright, may I explain so you can get it now. Alright, watch out now.
Explain to me.
Alright, may I explain to you. So, right? So, we have a clock. And 11 o'clock on the clock. You put 3 hours on 11 o'clock on the clock. How much you gonna get?
Still not get it.
Still not get it.
What make it? Why you have to make the thing look like that, bad man? Why?
Alright, you give up on that one?
Yeah.
On the clock, man.
See, this is simple. Yeah.
Alright, next on my boss, right? Spell top.
T.O.P.
Top.
Top as in top or top?
Any one of them.
Top, T-O-P.
T.O.P. top.
T-O-P.
Top?
Yeah.
Spell top.
Come on,
On
bad
top of
man.
something.
Don't do this.
Spell top.
Don't do this.
I would say
dog.
T.O.P., right?
Yeah.
Okay.
T-O-P.
Spell top.
Top. T.O.P.
T-O-P.
Top.
Yeah.
P-E.
Huh?
P.
P-P-E-T. How about that? Alphabet.
P-O-T.
P-O-T.
Yeah.
Pot? A backwards
Spell
man
top.
spelling.
Top.
Yeah.
Man spell top backwards.
Top. May I give you the spelling? T-O-P.
T-O-P.
Yeah. Top.
No P-O-T?
Eh?
No P-O-T?
How is it P-O-T, bad man?
Say the word top 5 times fast.
Top, 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 top.
T-O-P, T-O-P.
No, man, the word.
Top, 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 top.
This can't
Five times
real, bad man.
5 times fast.
Yeah.
Top, 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 top.
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 Top, 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 top.
Yeah, say the word top 3 times fast.
T-O-P.
No, man, the word top.
Stop.
Say 3 times fast.
Stop.
I stop
You ever
him, I
wonder
say.
why
He's
I
not
block
saying
ads
top,
with
he
pie?
says stop.
This is why I block ads with pie.
I just found what may be the big.
No, say it fast.
Stop. Stop.
3 times fast.
Stop. Stop.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop. No. Drive.
Come on, dog. You really,
Stop. No, drive.
you really let the man catch you?
Easy. Can't green light say go. Go.
Eh?
Go.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop.
What?
You sure?
No, no.
Oh, you good. What do you do at a green light?
Top. No, go.
Go. What do you do at a green light?
Stop. Oh, green light? Oh, shucks. Okay, it's tricky, it's tricky.
Yeah. Alright, so T-O-P at top, right? Alright, so the next thing I tell you to do now. Say the
Man,
word
I'm
top
nervous.
3 times fast.
Top, top.
3 times.
Top, top.
He said 3, bad man.
No, 3.
Yes, I said 3 times.
3 times fast, yeah.
Yeah.
Top, top, top.
Yeah. 4 times fast.
Top, 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 top.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop. What's stop?
Stop. At a green light.
Argo. Or
What do you do at a green light?
Ah.
stop.
Go.
Catch you.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of The Questions. You get to me and say, you don't know episode 1, and what they are listed, you know what I mean? So, watch out without no further ado, I'm going to cut. When I done interview because I catch some more people. You get to me and say, but I do the intro before I forget because night I got job. You understand? So, I catch some more people.
Yep.
But general, what you doing? Everything good? Eh. When I have more new question, you know, say I cut, and thing.
Big up on yourself, man. Once more again, Lindsay Town Zine. Yeah, man, and big up my mother, Judith Graham. Father Paul Graham.
I'm here to
Romario
this
Graham.
far. Anyways, people. Don't stop at a green light, alright? Don't stop at a green light, don't listen to them. Till next time, we're gone.